Hello everyone, greetings from PayTap's technical support team. In this series, you are going to learn everything you need to integrate PayTap's Node.js package into your Node.js project. Throughout the series, we will walk you through the 7 steps you need to fully understand and integrate the package. And now, let's get started. In this video, we are going to move to the next part of step 7, which is capture your transaction. Before we start, please note that you can find the full documentation for this step inside PayTap's support portal under the article called the Node.js Package Integration Manual. And now, let's move forward. To reach to the capture transaction solution article, the first thing you need to do is to click on step 7 manage transaction over here. Then you will find the capture transaction solution article. Here you will find a step-by-step guide that will lead you through how you can capture your transaction through our Node.js package. So let's walk through it. What you need to do is you need to call the function query transaction, and in this function you will pass 3 parameters: your transaction details, your card details, and your transaction created callable function. So let's walk through these together. We are going to copy this sample code and paste it inside our project over here. For the purpose of this project, we have created a simple route called capture, and this route will lead us to the function in our checkout controller over here called capture, and this function will create the same data that we just saw. We will have here the query transaction function, we will pass through it the transaction detail, the card detail, and the transaction created callable function. The same as all our functions, the callable function is the function that is calling to call the method, and here we are going to log the results, and also we are going to return it inside our browser. So here I have created a transaction details, and please note that you can only capture transaction of type auth, so make sure that the transaction reference that you are passing or receiving from any site inside your project is of type auth. So if we run the route over here, the route that we called it capture, it's supposed to capture this amount. Before we try it, please note that this is our solution here, transaction, that we are going to capture. And now, let's try it. Going to run the capture over here. As you can see, it has created a new transaction of type capture. If we go back to our merchant dashboard over here, you will see that this function has been captured over here. And now we are ready to go to the next transaction managing method.